Before you sleep tonight, ask yourself one question. If Allah gave you everything you asked for today, would you remember Him tomorrow? Sometimes we only raise our hands in dua when life becomes difficult, but the strongest relationship with Allah isn't built only in hardship, it's built in gratitude, even when life feels easy. So before you close your eyes tonight, thank Allah for one blessing you have been overlooking. A grateful heart is a heart that stays close to its creator.